Okay, in this Khan Academy assignment, they're going to give you some information from the equation, but not all of it. So as you can see here, all we know is that the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator are the same. Because we don't know what these are, there's not a whole lot else we can tell, but that does tell us that we have a horizontal asymptote at the ratio of the leading coefficients. So our horizontal asymptote is going to be at y equals -4 over -2, or 2, right? Y equals 2. So we're going to look in the possibilities that we have for a horizontal asymptote at +2. That's at negative, that's at +1. This one is at +2, +3. So it's got to be this one. And then here, we're only given the denominator. We're not given the numerator, only the denominator. So what we can find out from the denominator, right, is our points of discontinuity. So it could be a vertical asymptote, or it could be a hole. But if we factor the denominator, we get x equals -5 or -2. So -5 or -2 has to be either a vertical asymptote or a hole. So these are positive, so that doesn't work. It's +2 and +5, so that doesn't work. Again, these are positive. This one is negative, but this one is positive, so that doesn't work. So this is the only one where they're both negative, -2 and -5. So this has to be the right one. Okay. In this one, all we're given are these last two numbers. So with this, we can find y-intercepts, because y-intercepts occur when x equals 0. So if I plug in 0 for x, all of these are going to go away. Right? All of these are going to go away. I'm going to be left with 36 divided by 9, which is 4. So I'm going to have a y-intercept at 4. This one has a y-intercept at 4. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. This is at -4. So it has to be this one. And then when we're only given the numerator, the only thing we can find are the x-intercepts. Because remember, the x-intercepts occur when y equals 0. In other words, when we put the numerator equal to 0. So if we factor this, we're going to get the x-intercepts. Alternatively, they could be holes. So it's going to be either x-intercepts or holes, because it could, we don't know what the denominator is, so it could cancel. So it could be a hole. So it's going to be either an x-intercept or a hole. So we need to figure out what we get when we factor this. So we're looking for something that multiplies to -48 and positive, and adds to +2. So that's going to be x plus 8, x minus 6, multiplies to 48, adds to +2. So our x-intercepts are going to be at -8, +6. Alternatively, they could be holes, so make sure you're looking for that. So looking for -8 and +6. Here, -8, we have a hole, +6, we have an x-intercept. So this is going to be our answer. All right, hope that helped. See you in the